Welcome back to Project 30, day 11. I'm here with Jonathan, and our adventure today is we're just going on a small stroll to go check out a beach and a little waterfall. So come join us. Bye. Jonathan, say bye. Stop. Oh, you're right. You got coconut.
Oh shoot, more coconuts.
You trying to get some coconut? The time life like my battery life is so low that I usually avoid using that.
He's just walking himself. Wait, seriously, he's walking himself. Oh, welcome to our park.
What's wrong? Come, buddy.
I hear the waves.
Do they sound big?
Yeah.
How do you know that? Can you see it? I would rather fall than drop this camera, dude. There's Jonathan. Oh wait, no, he's over there. There he is. The daredevil right here. Oh. Yep.
You got this round. Oh yeah? See, like it's not as... I could have committed. It wasn't as scary as I thought. But I think if you stay here and from here, just jump on. Maybe. I don't know how I want to start it. Okay. I can't. Don't you bounce your arms and your legs like cross, then you get a... Oh! your body's facing... Oh my god! You can surf from here.
Oh yeah.
Whoa! No way!
This is amazing. I feel like me focusing on the roof makes it a lot harder.
Almost past the middle. Keep going.
He said jump on it and then walk backwards. There you go. Nice.
I've never turned around.
Oh.
So that's it.
Turn around. Woo!
Oh, that was a good one.
Let's go.
Oh, geez.
Now everyone can be in it. This is a lot higher.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Oh, God. Damn. That has jumps. See, I'm gonna start trying that. It's like flossing his feet. Oh, Jesus. No.
You won't jump and do a 180 though.
Fine, I got this one.
Oh.
Oh,
Yo, he's in the zone.
jump sideways.
I can
With
do it.
more than one.
I can do it. That was.
Both. Yep. Under 80 and upwards.